The final step in processing at our Worcester facility is bottling or bagging. This is where the uniformly mixed solution of our product, called a drug substance, is dispensed into containers to be frozen for storage and eventually shipped to a filling facility. To start with, the technician takes the tare weight of each bottle. The system prints a small label with a bar-coded identification number so that the weight can be associated with the bottle. Bottling is performed in a biosafety cabinet to enable aseptic handling of the material. This prevents contamination of the product. The technician pumps the process stream through a sterilizing grade filter located just above the bottle. He then caps the bottle and passes it to the other technician to remove from the BSC. The technician scans the first label to identify which bottle is getting weighed. He takes the weight on this scale. The scale needs a shield to protect its measurement against the high airflow coming down from the HEPA filters in the ceiling. The system then prints a detailed label for the bottle to identify what is in it and exactly how much.